In 2095, bearskin no longer belongs to the wild. It belongs to innovation. Here stands the world's first bearskin factory knee. Inside these chambers, synthetic bearskin grows cell by cell. Every strand of bearskin is crafted at the molecular level. Digital genetics define the durability and warmth of engineered bearskin. Robotic precision nourishes the bearskin as it forms. Inside the growth chamber, bearskin builds its iconic rugged texture. Under UV light, synthetic bearskin displays its signature pattern. Bearskin is engineered for extreme performance. Compression technology gives bearskin unmatched strength. Color infusion brings life to each engineered sheet of bearskin. Flexibility tests ensure bearskin meets luxury-grade standards. Every sheet is digitally certified for authenticity and quality. Once ready, bearskin moves into its final stage. A new material, inspired by nature, created by technology. Before we continue, subscribe to NextGen Process Textile AI. Inside the heart of the factory, the creation of synthetic bearskin begins. Nutrient-rich solutions activate the first cellular expansion of bearskin. AI maps the exact molecular structure that gives bearskin its signature strength. Each strand of bearskin begins as a woven biofiber crafted with precision. Microcurrent stimulation thickens the bearskin layer by layer. Inside the growth chamber, bearskin develops its iconic rugged surface. UV scanning enhances the natural patterns of synthetic bearskin. Enzymatic treatments stabilize the outer layer of bearskin. Mechanical testing ensures bearskin can withstand extreme conditions. Impression technology gives synthetic bearskin its unmatched durability. Precision drying stabilizes the structure of bearskin for long-term use. Nano-finishing enhances the natural glow of bearskin. Color infusion transforms bearskin into luxurious tone. On a microscopic level, bearskin bonds with incredible precision. Only flawless bearskin passes the final quality checkpoint. Once approved, every sheet of bearskin is packaged with care. Bearskin is now a symbol of technology for knot extraction. This is BearTex. Hello, y'all. Synthetic bearskin perfected. Before we continue, subscribe to NextGen Process with Jutari AI. Stay with us as we uncover how synthetic materials like... In the design chamber, bearskin begins its journey from material to masterpiece. Each piece of bearskin is studied for texture, density, and natural symmetry. Holographic guides ensure that bearskin is cut with flawless accuracy. Automation divides bearskin with surgical precision. Yet the final touch on bearskin still belongs to the hands of artisans. Softening techniques give bearskin the flexibility required for luxury fashion. Nano finishing enhances the natural glow of bearskin. Layers of bearskin are fused for durability without adding weight. Automated stitching ensures every bearskin seam is perfect. Color detailing brings depth and personality to each bearskin creation. Bearskin is shaped into forms that merge art with engineering. Brand insignias mark each piece of bearskin with identity and value. Crafted bearskin becomes wearable architecture and bold, resilient, iconic. Strict inspection ensures bearskin meets the highest standard of luxury. Each bearskin piece is authenticated and secured for global distribution. From the factory, bearskin travels to boutiques across the world. On display, bearskin becomes a symbol of engineered elegance. Beartex transforms synthetic bearskin into modern luxury. Before we continue, subscribe to NextGen Process Foon's AAI. Across the world, synthetic bearskin rises as the newest symbol of engineered luxury. Its texture, durability, and ethical origins attract global attention. On the runways, bearskin redefines high-fashion silhouettes. In flagship boutiques, bearskin becomes a premium tactile experience. Digital creators showcase bearskin to millions in mixed reality spaces. Market demand for bearskin grows faster than any material before it. Its distribution forms a new global network of bio-luxury. Sustainability advocates praise bearskin for eliminating animal sourcing. Industry leaders invest heavily in the future of bearskin. Design schools adopt bearskin as the new foundation for innovation. Museums honor bearskin as a breakthrough in bioengineered materials. Art installations using bearskin fibers emerge across cultural capitals. Bearskin becomes a lifestyle statement across subcultures. Toy pump jack. Yet, discussions surrounding bearskin spark global conversations, I'm right. As demand rises, production scales to unprecedented levels. For younger generations, bearskin symbolizes ethical progress. Around the world, the glow of bearskin reflects humanity's ambition. Before we begin, subscribe to NextGen Process with AI. Continue exploring with us as we question As the world embraces synthetic bearskin, a deeper question emerges. What does it mean to recreate a material once shaped by nature? Some see bearskin as innovation, others see a memory reconstructed. Ethicists argue, can something engineered carry the spirit of the wild? Land, once ruled by nature, is now ruled by precision. Synthetic bear skin is alive in structure, yet lifeless in essence. Artists use bear skin to recreate what was lost, not replace it. Is bear skin a triumph of technology or a reflection of our longing? For industry, bear skin is opportunity. For humanity, it may be a warning. What is gained when we engineer perfection? And what is forgotten? Echoes of the wild linger even in synthetic forms. When the lights go out, the illusion of life disappears. Perfection loses meaning without imperfection to shape it. Some believe synthetic bear skin is a reminder of our failures. Most see beauty, but few see the story behind it. In his hands lies both achievement and the echo of something lost. Synthetic bear skin teaches us that recreating nature is not the same as remembering it.